and welcome to the International Talent Academy Life Lesson. Everyone needs to learn to cook at one time, so today I will teach you how to make scrambled eggs. The ingredients for one person are 1 egg, any kind of meat, and I'm using my favorite Russian salami, and 2 small tomatoes, or if you don't have any small tomatoes, half of a big tomato. The first thing you need to do is get out a pan and put it on the stove. Next, you need to cut up the meat and the tomatoes into little pieces. I have salami, so I am cutting it into long slices and then into little squares. Next, take your tomatoes, and I think this is the best way to cut it. So first you cut it in half, and then cut it in half again, and again, and again. It's like fractions at school. And if the tomato is very small, then you don't have to cut as much. When everything is cut, you can turn on the stove a little bit less than high, and I have numbers, so I'm going to put it on a 6. Next, take your oil and pour it into the center of the pan, but not too much, and spread it around the pan like this so it covers the whole bottom. Then, take your cut up meat and tomatoes and put it onto the pan. Make sure it gets all over the pan. Then you can use your spatula to mix it up and spread it out. I put the salami right away because when the oil gets hot, it can get on you and it will hurt very much. When the oil gets very hot, it will start to make some noises, but you have to wait a little bit until it starts making them. While you wait, you can mix up or anything, or make a drink if you like. It might take a long time, so if you want, you can make it a little bit higher, and then later you can put it on a lower number. So keep on waiting, and you can mix it again too. But make sure you don't go away from the stove, even if it takes a long time, or else it might burn. Keep on waiting. And when it does start to make the noises, you can take the egg. And I can hear that it's starting to make it, but you have to wait a little bit more. While it's going, keep on mixing, and now you can hear the noise. Then, when it starts making that noise, take your egg, crack it against the side of the pan or on the table like this, and open it in half and put it into the pan. But make sure no shells get in. Then, if you want your egg to have more flavor, you can put the tomatoes and salami on top, like this. Wait for about like 30 seconds. And then after that, you can start making it scrambled by cutting it and mixing it. Like this. I think scrambled eggs is very easy to make because it takes only about 5 minutes. You know when your eggs are ready when it's not liquidy and Then you can turn off the stove. Make sure you don't overcook it or else it's going to get dry and not very yummy. Then take your pan and move it to a place where it's not hot on the stove. Then take a plate and put the eggs onto the plate. Now you can make breakfast for your whole family. Enjoy! Bye!